What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo. This is my channel, Mo Nation. So in this video we're going to be cleaning a little bit of throw up. So I started doing this vehicle inspection, so that's what I'm working on right now. I'm waiting on the customer to come outside so I can have them sign this, but we're just doing the inside. So as y'all can see, I try to look through it real thoroughly to see what I can like damage or anything. The front mat is already messed up. There's scuff marks on the driver's side, throw up on the seat, throw up on the side, and a little bit of throw up in the back, I think. And then I saw a little scuff marks on the back panel as well. That's man, I forget what it's called, but all right, y'all, so we're gonna do a little voiceover. As you can see, I'm cleaning up a little bit of throw up. It really wasn't that bad. That's one of the perks of having a kid. I've seen way worse. So stuff like this, throw up, pee, it don't really bother me. The only thing I won't clean is probably blood. But they had a little bit on these mats, so I went ahead and hung those up. And the first thing I did was just vacuum. They had some chunks on the side of the seat. It wasn't anything huge or anything like bad, so I went ahead and, like I said, vacuumed that up before I started blowing anything out, because I don't want anything to hit me in my face. And then I just went on to my normal. I do the seats first, no matter if it's cloth or leather or whatever. I always clean those first, and then I went ahead and got some of the stuff out of the pores of the seats, as you can see right now. Next thing, blow it out, and then I just started steam cleaning the full interior. Now this is a Lexus RC, I think it's a RC, but it's a coupe, so it wasn't really, like I said, bad at all. I didn't have to use any chemicals, really, any all-purpose cleaner to clean anything besides the carpets and stuff. So next thing I did was spray down the carpets. I steam cleaned, especially the part where the throw up and stuff was. I got there really good underneath the seats and everything. Unfortunately for me, I don't take the seats out. That's just not something I want to do mobile. Maybe when I have a shop. Now, these mats, I clean mats a little different depending on how bad they are. So with these, I sprayed them down with some all-purpose. I steam cleaned them first, and then, as you're gonna see, I pressure washed them. And the reason why I pressure washed them, and I threw all my towels in as well. The reason why I pressure washed them is because it had a little bit of throw up on it, and I didn't want to agitate it with a drill or anything and get any in my face. So I just pressure washed the throw up and stuff off of it. And then after that, I went ahead and I started extracting all the water and stuff out of it. And that was just my process of taking care of that. Now, everybody may do stuff a little differently, especially when it comes to a job like this. I went ahead and shampooed the carpets as well. Took care of that, as you can see right now. And then I did a final vacuum, went ahead and got underneath the driver's side seat or anything. Well, I pretty much picked up everything on the first vacuum, but I just went ahead, just in case I didn't catch something, I went ahead and vacuumed a second time, as you can see. And then this is me putting the interior dressing on with a little touch-up gun. Great idea too, great idea. Thing is, it lays it down pretty even, and I come over with a microfiber application pad and I just kind of rub it in. And then obviously we got to put the leather conditioner on the seats and stuff, so that's what I'm doing right now. So leather conditioner and doing the dressing on the panels and the dash and stuff is usually my second to last thing that I do. The very last thing I do is windows, just in case I got overspray or something on the windows. You know, I can clean it off. I can't even talk, y'all. I can clean it off, as you can see. That little tool that I'm using is something I bought from AutoZone, and I'm just trying it out, just to try it out. I thought it would be pretty cool to use, so that's why I got it. Instead of carrying around 2 towels, I use that to clean the windows. And here you go. Here's the results. After I was finished, I called the customer. had them check it out. You know, asked if they wanted any type of air freshener or anything like that, and they were happy with it. They said it looked better than when they bought it. That's crazy. And I get that. I ain't trying to brag, but I'm pretty sure other people get that too. But I get that a lot. And yeah, so that's just me doing a final inspection. That's it. And I put the little lines. I did that for YouTube. Put the lines in the carpet. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Throw that little crumb away. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it wasn't really much to it. Like I said, don't cleaning up the throw up is really not that bad. If it was minimum, it wasn't that much. Plus, like I said, from the perk of having a child, trust me, I've seen way worse. My daughter threw up in my van the first week or two that I had it, all over the seats, and it was 10 times worse than what it was in this car. So, hi y'all. So we are back from that detail, and I'm just kind of reloading the van, trying to get everything situated for the detailing tomorrow, because I have a wash and wax. A wash and wax and full interior detail. That one's going to be around $400. I'm just trying to make sure, like I said, make sure everything is situated, because I got to go in a little bit. But what I'm going to do is take apart this, take my extractor out. Those towels that I use, I'm throwing them away. And then basically I'm going to clean out the extractor. And then I'm also going to clean out the vacuum as well. I'm going to shoot some water and stuff through it, just so, you know, I don't have no chunks up in there, and it's, I guess, sanitized. But first thing first is I have to fill both of my tanks back up. So gotta make sure the tank is open, which I think it is. Right here, close this one. If I'm not mistaken. But we're gonna fill the blue one up first, and then come back to that one. While that is pumping, we'll go ahead and take this out. Get rid of, god damn. Damn, it's heavy. Then I also need the hose. Hard to do all this stuff with one hand, but first off, this is gonna soak. I'm gonna let the water out. Water's gonna be dirty as hell. So I'm gonna open this up, and we are going to let this soak. So I'm gonna fill it up. I'm gonna put some Dawn in it, fill it up. And that may be a better way to do this, but alright, so for this is gonna sit. This is good. That's just what I do whenever I have to clean up, which I rarely ever have to clean up thorough. I clean thorough. That's what I do. I just soak the equipment, spray it out, and all that good stuff. Make sure there's nothing left inside. As for this, I'm gonna let it sit, empty it out. I'm probably gonna get some hot water, put some hot water in there, scrub it real good, and call that a day. Dirty water goes inside there anyway. And then I'm gonna do the same thing for my vacuum as well. I gotta take the vacuum out. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it, and make sure y'all take care of your equipment, because I be neglecting mine sometimes. Sometimes I be neglecting. This is my filter. This is horrible. This is the vacuum filter. So you barely shake it, stuff come off. That's supposed to be reusable. We ain't gonna reuse it. We're just gonna, honestly, I just put a brand new one on there all the time. They're not expensive or anything. I ain't got time to be cleaning off the filter. So make sure y'all look at that. That's bad. That's real bad to me. For it to be that dusty, but make sure y'all get y'all good. Y'all change your filters out and stuff, because I haven't been doing it, which is the bad thing. Usually I change the filter out, but I haven't got around to doing it. So yeah, but we're gonna go ahead, we switch this out. We should be good. Blow that out and we're gonna be straight.